Hello, hello. If you saw the last video I did, it was home and health category, little pill box. Why I'm getting these? Because why not? I need them. My wife takes numerous vitamins and stuff like that, and so do I. And actually, our dog takes pills too. So, these are useful for us. And it's always nice to have something different. And, I like to review products that I'm actually going to use. Of course, I have them, just a basic little pill box. You can get a Dollar Tree or something like that too. But this is something neat. It is called the Weekly Pill Organizer LED Light Alarm Reminder 7 Days Pill Box. Lightweight, 4 groups, clock, easy carry pill box, rainbow. It's from Hugh Birrell, Birrell. $14.99 on Amazon Prime shipping, of course. There's a little box there. But here it is here. Oh, there's the batteries. Okay. Give you nice batteries in there. Oh, check it out. That's cool. You have little stickers for you there that you can put on them if you want to. Here's the instruction manual. Oh, check it out. They slide out. Now, see, I didn't even open this yet, so I don't even have a clue. It just got here. But, here it is here. Kind of neat. I'm not sure. Now, there's a plastic coating over top for protection. There's hours, minutes, seconds buttons. Oh, there we go. That's how they come out. Like so. Oh, wow. They're individual little boxes. That's kind of cool. How do I open them? Oh, there it goes. Oh, I see. That's neat. Batteries. How do we get the batteries in? Inner cover. Side opens. Double seal. Moisture proof. That's kind of cool. Oh, here's the battery. Right here. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, that's kind of cool. But, put your batteries in here. Like so. Here. Maybe. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, that's the battery compartment. I will get it open shortly. There's an alarm and stuff like that. Durable, rugged. It does seem fairly nice. 12, 24 hours and all that. Each day has a color compartment, and you can use a sticker as well if you want to. These little stickers. Alright. But that's it. Let me put some batteries in it. Take some pictures and test it out. Alright. Thanks.